MIT opened its doors on Friday for the official opening of its 163,000 square foot expansion to the MIT Media Lab. The addition features 7 laboratories devoted to advancing technologies that enhance how humans interact with machines. One lab is the Lifelong Kindergarten Lab that develops technology to assist in design.
I think I feel at home in this new building, because to me it feels like a big kindergarten. Now some people might see it as demeaning or insulting to be compared to kindergarten, but to me it's a great compliment or a high honor, because I think we want to allow people here at the Media Lab to have creative collaborations, the same way that kids in kindergarten work together playfully. We think that's going to lead to the most creative, innovative work here at the Media Lab.
Adjacent to the older portion of the Media Lab, the new complex designed by Maki and Associates is almost entirely comprised of white walls and glass, with few splashes of color. Each of the 7 laboratories, known as a cube, is focused on a different facet of media technology. The Biomechatronics Lab aims to produce better prosthetics. Standard prosthetics are passive and can be awkward. However, enhanced ones, like seen here, have motors attached to better mimic the normal gait of someone with both feet.
That every time that you leave the ground, your foot can actually generate a significant amount of energy. And that's been difficult to achieve in the past because we've been restricted to passive devices like these springs, which can't release any more energy than you put into them. But as we start to add motors and clever series spring combinations so that we can get back peak powers that are very high due to catapulting, you can start to build things that aren't too much bigger, but can actually produce this effective 300% efficiency that we see in the natural angle.
The $90 million facility was designed around a principle of light and open space, connecting the workshop interior with the outside world. The world outside is inspiration for many of the lab's inventions, like this city car that is electric and can fold up to save space. The wheels each house an electric motor, leaving room for the chassis to bend in half. With researchers, students, and scientists all freshly moved in, they're all now left with the challenge of how to best use the new space.
We're still in the process of moving in and getting to understand the space. So we've only been here a short amount of time, so we're still figuring out the best way to make full use of the new space, to be able to sort of really make it our home. So we're still in the process somewhat of getting settled, but we love it. And one thing you can see is that the students here are already spending more time here just since they love being in this space.
Reporting from MIT in Cambridge, I'm Justin Meisinger, IDG News Service.